This video provides an overview of the mutual fund comparison assignment that is due this week for week 14. So we're here in the weekly modules, and we'll go ahead and scroll down till we get to week 14 module. Once you click on the module for this week, you'll see a new type of assignment called the mutual fund comparison. We are learning about mutual funds this week, and this assignment will let you apply your learning and hopefully introduce you to another type of investment that you might be interested in. The assignment is similar to what we did in Chapter 5 for credit cards. So here you can see the instructions for the assignment, and when you click on it, it'll take you to this Word document. Here you've got the instructions as well as the chart that will help guide you to find the information you need to do your analysis. On the second page as well is the detailed format structure that you recall that we use. It's the same one from the credit card comparison assignment. Anyhow, once you click into the link, this will take you to the Charles Schwab website where you can identify 3 mutual funds to analyze. If you prefer to use a different website, you're welcome to, although it might be a little harder to find some of the data points the assignment requires. Most of the basic data points should be there though. So you'll need to fill out the chart I've provided in the Word document. And as you're searching through, notice that it does ask you to pick, the same type of fund, whether it's growth or index or international, global. So as you can see here, when you click on the funds managed by Schwab, there are a couple different options here, different types. I'm just going to click on index, for instance. And you can see that there are a number of funds to choose from. So I would, for instance, just pick 3 out of here to take a look at. Let's look at this one. So once you're in here, you'll want to look and do a bit of research on the mutual fund, what it includes. Under performance, you can see performance over time on the mutual fund. If you click on risk and tax analysis, you can also see the returns, the risk ratings, and other information. If you click on portfolio, you can see what kind of investments are included within the portfolio. Recall that mutual funds are diversified. And then the last tab here for fund facts and fees, it gives you more details about the strategy or approach of the fund, any fees or minimum investments required, portfolio turnover, total assets, and other information that would be of interest to you. So as you go through the assignment, fill in what you can find into the chart. And then again, on the second page of the instructions is the detailed format for your paper. So read through this carefully. For those that didn't use it for the credit card assignment, you notice you lost points for not following format. So make sure you read this or review how to structure your one-page paper, as it is helpful when you begin to write critically for college courses. So again, as a reminder, the first part of the assignment is a brief paragraph of your analytical process. Note that it says here for credit cards or mutual funds because you previously did do the credit card comparison. So it's really just the same format that we're using to analyze the mutual funds. The majority of the paper, though, is your reaction analysis, where you'll make connections between Chapter 13 from the textbook, the real world, your life, and other areas. So you are also to explain what you learned and how it has increased your understanding on mutual funds. So make sure to review the points of consideration as well, which will guide you on how to write a thoughtful paper. When citing the textbook, make sure to use APA formatting for in-text citations, so I know which ideas came from the textbook and whether you are summarizing, paraphrasing, or quoting. Note, quoting, you should use quotation marks. So I've included an explanation of how to do in-text citations for your paper in the module as well. It's the same example that I had provided previously when you did the credit card assignment. So hopefully this is not too time-consuming, but it is interesting to learn about different mutual funds. But otherwise, have a happy Thanksgiving and enjoy the rest of your week.